Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Tech Online. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you a trick in Microsoft Excel. It's a very useful trick. It is about adding a serial number to our worksheet. However, keep in mind that this serial number column will not be a normal serial number column. It is going to be a little different. It is going to be a static serial number column. And what does that mean? That means that once you have this column and you have your serial numbers already filled in this column and you want to sort your data using any of the columns in the worksheet, you want your data to get sorted, but you don't want your serial number to get sorted. You want your serial number to remain as is, and that is why we call it a static serial number. So are you ready to learn how to insert a new column, a new serial number column that is going to be a static column, and then you will have the freedom to sort your data in any way that you want, in any way that you like and wish, and your serial number will remain as is. So let us add this column. Select column A, right click, select insert. We have got our new column ready. Click on column B, go to home tab, click format, painter, and now click on column A. So we have formatted column A. Now it has become similar to the other columns in the worksheet. So the column is ready. Let us enter its title. It will be serial number. Now we want to fill our serial number. There are so many ways we can do it, but I'm going to do it in one of the fastest and the easiest way, and that is my preferred way. I type 1 in column A2. In the second column I type 2. I select these two cells. Then I come to the fill handle. You can see the fill handle, it is like a square green one. And then I double click. So here Microsoft Excel filled the entire column for me, starting from 1, 2 up to the last cell in the worksheet. So as you can see, 700 is the last number. It means that I have got 700 rows in my worksheet. So everything is done automatically and very fast by Microsoft Excel. I don't have to worry. Now let us sort our data and see what will happen. Let us focus on our serial number, but I'm going to sort the data using some other column. For example, let it be column E. I put my cell anywhere in column E. I go to data tab. I select A to Z, which is lowest to highest. So my data is now sorted by column E. But as you can see the problem, if you notice, the serial numbers have got disturbed. And this is what we don't want. And this is a very trick that I'm talking about. We want a serial number that does not get sorted. We want a serial number that doesn't change. So let us undo what we did. And now we are going to start the trick. So please stay tuned. Please stay with me until you learn this trick. I don't want you to leave today until you have learned this new trick. I'm going to add a new column. I have selected column B, right click, I select insert. So now there is a new column we have added in the data sheet. Now let us think what we are going to do with this new column. What will be the heading of this new column? What is going to be the data of this new column? The answer is this column is going to be an empty column. It is meant to be an empty column. By inserting an empty column between A and C, Microsoft Excel will treat each of these two ranges as two separate data sheets. So once we inserted a blank column, any place if you insert, anywhere if you insert a blank column in your worksheet, you are basically dividing your worksheet into two different data ranges. And then whatever you do, like sort or things, anything you do in one of these data ranges, it will not affect the other data range. So this is a blank column and this is a very trick, and we will not of course keep the blank column as it is. We are going to hide it. So let us right click and select the column and right click and say hide. So now the column is hidden. So let us see what will happen if we sort the data using any of the other columns. Let us for example use this time column I, and we go to the data tab A to Z. The column has got sorted. We sorted our data with or by column I. But when you look at the serial numbers, they are static. So now after inserting the column, a blank column, and hiding the column, now we have got the freedom, we have got the liberty to sort our data in any way that we want, and we can keep our serial number static. I hope that you have learned the trick. I hope that the trick is useful for you and to all of you. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would request you to like and subscribe to my video. Thank you very much. Farewell for now.